Welcome to Emerald Grove, where every morning bursts with color and sound. But today, a little macaw named Maya feels her heart is as gray as the pre-dawn sky.
Why can't I sing like the other birds? My melody sounds all wrong.
Maya, your colors are perfect, but your song, not quite.
Maybe I'm just not meant to sing.
Maya's dream felt as distant as the farthest mountain peak.
Everyone, listen to Maya's new song.
Ouch, that's harsh.
I'm sorry, I'll go practice alone.
Maya's heart sank. Her first concert ended in quiet disappointment.
Why the long face, little one?
I failed. Everyone laughed.
Failure isn't the end. It's a lesson wrapped in disguise. Look at these stones.
What are you looking for, Tessa?
Let me show you something special, Maya.
So, my off notes can teach me?
Exactly. Practice, learn, and grow.
Day by day, Maya's melody grew stronger, smoother, and more confident.
Tonight, Maya shares her new song.
That was amazing.
I learned that each failure taught me to soar higher.
Maya discovered that failure was never the end. It was the first step towards success. And so, whenever you stumble, remember Maya's missing melody and know that every misstep brings you closer to your own song.